Hey, what's going on? My name is Ricardo Figueroa. This video I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank offers using Instagram. There's a way to do. You can do it for free, or there's a way to pay influencers to promote the offers for you. And also, I'm going to show you how you could become an influencer and get paid. Someone, other people will pay you to promote their offers in your page. The investment is very minimum. It takes a lot of manual work, but it's gonna work in the long term. And Instagram is free, and I'm gonna walk you through the whole process. Just stay with me here, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna keep doing creating videos like this one, showing you how to do stuff and make some extra cash um, with me. So right now I'm at clickbank.com. This is the, let's say it's like a marketplace, an affiliate marketplace where you could find different offers and then you promote the offers, let's say social media, Google AdWords, Bing, and so on. So every time you make a sale, people subscribe, purchase something, you will get paid. And that's how Clickbank works. So basically, your main focus will be to find something that people need, resolve a problem, and then refer them, send that traffic, that link to them so they can sign up, purchase, download, or whatever the offer is, and you will get paid. So basically, that's affiliate marketing, CPA. And the best thing about this, all the products that are here are digital products. So you don't have to worry about inventory. You don't have to worry about none of that stuff or process credit cards. All that is done by the owner of the offer. So your job as an affiliate marketer will be just to send that traffic to that link and find the right people that need that service, that download, or that whatever. And I'm gonna walk you through it. I'm gonna pick one product, one service, and I'm gonna walk you through how you could do it, and then how you can become an influencer. So let's start. I'm inside of Clickbank. I already signed in with this account, and this is the offer that I'm recommending so you could try. And the reason why is related to affiliate marketing. Everybody wants to make money, so you go to the marketplace right here, marketplace affiliate marketing. Then scroll down a little bit. It's called Affiliorama. So this one will show people how to make money with affiliate marketing, and this is the landing page. This is where people are going to land after they sign up. But there is a way to do this, because you cannot use the link from Clickbank on Instagram or Facebook. You have to do it the right way, or you will get banned. They will shut your account, and then you'll be in trouble. So the reason I'm trying to make you promote this one is because the initial sale is 101.59 cents, and out of that, you will make the $70. So every time someone buy this and pay 101.59 cents, you will make $70. And also, if you pay attention to this little icon right here, it says recurring billing. That means that every month, every time they pay back, you will make that some money back right here. So this is huge. It's not that you're going to make money one time and then you don't want to make any money. So that's why you need to find offers in Clickbank that you could make money in the initial payment and then rebilling. So keep an eye on rebilling. There is also a filter. If you look to the left side says filter, you could search for things that you want. You want good gravity, this one right here. You want good gravity. This is kind of small, but that means that it's selling. People are promoting. So it's not that great, but it's not that bad. So, and then also average rebill. You can just search, but make sure you have rebilling and make sure it's a good offer. So this offer is helping people on how to make money. Everybody wants to make money. That's why you're watching this video. So just pick that offer. If you want to promote it, just click on promote. This will bring it to another tab, and then just generate hop links, and this is the link that you're going to promote. That's the link that you need to promote on Instagram, and I'm about to show you how. But remember, you cannot use this link on Facebook or Instagram or anywhere because you will get banned. So for now, let's copy that link. Let's put it somewhere here, and then we could close that. And now already show you the offer. And now we go to Instagram. The way you do this, you open an Instagram account. An Instagram account is free. And all you have to do is just open an Instagram account. You can use it. You can open through your mobile or your desktop. But this application is not made for desktop. It's all about mobile. And most of the people are using this Instagram app on their mobile. So the way you do it, just create an account. Simple steps. You just follow the steps, your name and everything. Make sure you write down a good description about what your niche is. It could be about make money. It could be about photography. It could be about fishing. It could be about anything. There are plenty of different products here on Clickbank about every single thing that you can imagine. As you can see right here, arts, seen on TV, betting, business, computer, cooking, education, employment. But this example is going to be about making money from home. So you can open an account. Make sure you put a picture related to income secrets or income or money or something like that. And this is how you make the money. You start finding things like this one, like pictures with money and how to's. I'm gonna show you a way. If you're not that creative, I'm gonna show you a way so you could find a lot of this stuff and start your own Instagram account. And it's gonna be great. Just bear with me. So that's how you basically start growing your followers. You can see they have 122K followers every time they post something. That's 394 people like the picture, 9 commented. Check out this one. 8,000 people like that. 177 made a comment. So this is free traffic coming to you. Look at this, 4,000 and 597 people made a comment. So this is huge. This is free traffic going to you. Now, once you're done writing the basic stuff on your profile, you need to put a link. This is the most important part here. You remember that I grabbed the Clickbank link to promote. Do not put the link here at all. Never do that. You have to send people to a landing page. And I'm gonna show you. Let's see what the landing page is. So this is a landing page. See, they're not sending people straight to any offer. In this example, this is the offer. They're not sending people straight to the offer. The trick for you not to get banned and not to get in trouble with Facebook is, and I mean Facebook because Facebook owns Instagram. So this is the way. You need a landing page. As you can see, once you type your name here and email, it should take me to the offer. So you can see this is the offer. Now you see the how the process works. So everything has to be like step by step. You grab the link from Clickbank, you send it to a landing page, and at the same time you're growing your email list. But if you don't want to pay for autoresponder, that you don't have to worry about that. You just when you set up the landing page, and I'm about to show you where you're gonna set up the landing page, you just send them people straight to the offer. Don't collect an email if you don't want to. But at least now you know the steps. You grab the link from here from Clickbank. You set up your landing page, and I'm gonna show you which programs you're gonna use for landing page builder. And then from your landing page, you send them straight to the offer. So the how to create a landing page. This is the program that I'm using. I recommend ClickFunnels. It's very easy to do, and you have if you want to use the link below this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, if you're watching this on Facebook on my page, the link is gonna be above. You will have 14 days, so you have 14 days to try this. and make sure you're ready to go, and then start promoting, creating your Instagram account, creating that landing page, which is easy to do. They have plenty of training how to create one really quick. They even have funnels already built for you, so you can go wrong with this one. So it's a 14-day trial, and you should try it. This is the one that I recommend. What else? So let's say you already created you found the offer that I recommended. You already created your Instagram page. You already created your landing page. So now you're sending traffic, and you know this is working because I'm sure it's gonna work if you try it the right way, like I'm just showing you. And you wanna just or you don't know too much about Instagram, this is a program that I recommend you. The link is gonna be below. It's just $7 or $9 or something like that. It's a Clickbank product, but it's gonna show you how to become an Instagram influencer. And and this is why I recommend you to try this, is because I'm gonna show you how much influencer makes on every single post. So once you grow your Instagram account and you have thousands of followers, you could get paid. I just search in Google how much an Instagram influencer makes, and they make around $75 per post. So once you have a good amount of people following your Instagram account, other people are going to see that you have a good influence, and they're gonna pay you to promote their offers in your page, and they could pay you $75, $100, $500. All depends if you have like a million followers and so on. But this is something that you start for free, following the guidance that I just told you, grabbing a product from here, then posting stuff on your page, on your Instagram page, like pictures like this, and people will start following you. If you don't know how to do all this, that's why I recommend you grab this training right here, and it's only like $8, and it's gonna show you everything that you need. Plus, check this out. They show you everything. They show you everything that you need to do. They also have like banners and things like that that you could use to promote. Now, once you have a good solid account and you already got this training done and your account is growing and you don't want to do things manually, the first thing you should do is grab the second program that I'm recommending here, and it's to get more followers. So everything will be like autopilot for you. Everything this program will follow people, comment on other people posts and so on. So it will do all the work for you. That way you don't have to be on your computer every day following people and doing things manually. So all this will be on autopilot, and that's what we want. We want to save time and we want to make money. So you can see you have auto follow, auto comments, targeted search, and this means like hashtags related to make money and so on. So it's mobile ready. Inside you have the stats, you have everything that you need. So the first step, just to recap a little bit, remember we grab an offer from here about any niche that you want to create your Instagram account. You create your Instagram account with pictures and create banners and so on, and then follow people, comment on their posts, tell them to comment and follow you. And then you create at this time you create your profile, but do not use the Clickbank link here. Remember, you are going to use a landing page first. So you're gonna sign up for Click Funnels right here using the link below. Create a landing page, then you send people to the offer, just like I show you. Just like I show you following this training this link right here. Then if you don't know too much about Instagram, don't worry about it. Just use the link below, grab this course. It's only $8. Just grab that course, and then once you dominate this one, if you wanna just have everything done in autopilot, just grab the second training right here, get more followers, and everything will be run for you. Then once you reach this, at least 120, 50,000, 25,000, 100, yeah, once you get a good amount of followers, you can just start charging people just to post something on your page. So let's say I need to post something in your income secrets page, and you tell me, hey Ricky, I'm gonna charge you $20 for just 1 hour if I share my if you share my link in instead of this one. So this is powerful in the long run. I'm sure if you take action, you're gonna make money with Instagram by promoting products, and people will pay you to promote their product. So I think this is a great training. I'm gonna keep doing trainings like this, but make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video on Facebook, Instagram, and everywhere. And let's show people how to make money online using these simple steps. So also drop your comment below. Let me know if you like the video, you hated it, or whatever. What else you want to learn about affiliate marketing or any other topic. And let's keep dominating. Thank you for watching. And my name is Ricardo Figueroa. God bless and have a great day in purpose. Take care now.